This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Time now is 12:17, a mostly sunny sky out there, and we're going to be holding on to the sun through much of the day. Westfield looking very nice right now, but it's a hot and humid day once again. Same story goes for Chicopee. You can see a mostly blue sky, a few high thin clouds there, but it's quiet. I mean, we got a nice day right now, but we do have that weather alert up because of the chance for some thunderstorms going into the evening. Heat advisory continues, and this has been extended by the National Weather Service until 8 p.m. tomorrow now, Wednesday. Heat index up to 101 degrees as we go through this afternoon and into the day for tomorrow. We got that breeze right out of the southwest. Winds are going to stay around 5 to 10 miles per hour through much of the afternoon. Temperatures out there right now, we are into the 80s. We're 86 in Northampton, 85 in Springfield. Dew points also into the 70s. So once again, it is a very hot and humid and hazy day. And as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon into the evening, these temperatures are going to be staying very warm. I mean, 3 p.m., we're going to be staying into the 70s, and that's because of these thunderstorms that approach us. Here we are 6 p.m., cooling us down. And then as we go into the overnight, 10 o'clock, staying in the 70s, and then we fall into the upper 60s to around 70 by tomorrow morning. In terms of the humidity, we are going to be seeing some relief on the way as we go down towards the weekend. Tomorrow's very humid, hot and hazy once again. And then we finally see the humidity back off as we go down towards Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday, if I could add it on here. Sunday also looks fairly comfortable. We'll see those dew points back to around the lower 60s, which is where typically our humidity this time of year should be. We're not going to be dealing with that oppressive dew points in the 70s. So for today, mostly sunny. Again, that chance for some evening and early overnight thunderstorms. That is the top of the Twin Cities Storm Team forecast focus. Heading into the day on Wednesday for tomorrow, same story. It's hot and humid. Chance for some evening thunderstorms. And then as we go into the end of the week and towards the weekend, it's sunny, it's cooler, and lower humidity as we go down through Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So ESP Live Doppler radar is nice and dry. Taking a wider view on clouds or radar, you can see that we got some very high, thin clouds over the area. But besides that, the sun is out. Here's some thunderstorms gathering off to our west over the Great Lakes right now, and we are going to watch that line come closer as we go towards the evening. So something new is the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has actually upgraded mostly all of western Massachusetts to be in a level 2, and then a slightly enhanced risk of a level 3 in northern Berkshire County there. So again, the scales from 1 to 5. A level 2 and level 3 here in western Massachusetts. So it's a little elevated for our risk for severe weather today. Here's the Twin Cities Storm Team Skycast 12 o'clock. Again, some high thin clouds with some sun. 3 p.m. nothing but sun into the evening. It's dry 6 p.m. But after 6 o'clock, here comes that line of storms. 7 p.m. you can see some really strong cells being picked up on Skycast with those thunderstorms rolling through the valley around 8 p.m. Got some darker red shadings here, some heavy rain, gusty winds, some small hail can't be ruled out embedded in this line. The good news is as it moves from west to east, it actually gradually weakens, and then eventually it's out of here by midnight. So main time frame for this, storms could develop as soon as 4 p.m., but I'm really concerned about the biggest threat for severe weather would be between 7 and 10 p.m. going into the evening and early tonight. Strong to severe storms possible. Heavy rain could cause minor flooding, and the chance for some strong winds and also some small hail is probably the biggest concern with these storms coming on through. So for the rest of the day, 92 to 96 the high temperature, mostly sunny. Again, some showers and storms going into the later half of the evening and into early tonight. Heading through tonight, we'll be into the upper 60s and low 70s, mostly cloudy showers and storms before midnight, drying out as we go towards tomorrow morning. But then come tomorrow afternoon, we're going to do it all over again. Scattered showers and thunderstorms for the day on Wednesday. And then we finally see the heat and humidity get on out of here. We turn nice and sunny and dry as we go down towards the weekend. If you want to stay updated latest forecasts, you could do so by getting the free Twin Cities mobile app.